What's up, guys? Jim here. Merry Christmas to those celebrating. Happy New Year. And today I thought I would show you guys a little bit of what I got for Christmas this year. So, starting out, got a new GoPro Hero 8. I know it's not the 9, but the 8 is really all I need. The 9 is just kind of overkill for me. So I'm going to try to do some filming with this, play around with it in this video, so that way whenever I get back flying, we can, it'll look pretty good. I'll have everything figured out and I can get to look pretty good. Some other stuff I got, this is more train related stuff. Got a Fast Track 072 right hand switch, which is going to replace that 048 switch there. For the yard, and I'll just move that 048 to here, and the yard's going to change a bit, but I still got to get a couple of 072 curves. One more thing. I know, we're seeing double. This is another Atlas 5161 Masterline Iowa Interstate Hopper. I bought this one, and I was gifted this one, so I now have two. They are beautiful hoppers. Still slowly growing my fleet, but not too crazy fast. I think I'm kind of done with engines for a while, unless I find something I really have to have. But I'm still collecting freight cars, and I'm looking for some passenger cars. But otherwise, new train acquisition is probably going to slow down or probably this year, because I'm going to be really busy with flight school. One last new thing I got was this ASA headset, brand new, lifetime warranty. I'm going to be using it mainly for passengers. If I take people flying, I have a headset that I know is clean, especially clean, and it's fairly good quality. Still you have to flight test it, but it's a good headset. It's not 20 years. It's not a 20-year-old beat up headset from at a flight school that 100 people use a month. This is something just for my passengers, and eventually if my students need it, they can use it whenever I get my instructor license. But just something nice to have, something that makes my passengers' flights a little bit better. All right, let's run some trains.
dispatcher here. You're clear to pull. Over.
Copy that, dispatcher. Cleared to move. Here we go. Out.